I just wanted to talk about how different life feels when you just let go. I need you to get the fuck. I so wish a girl would come to me saying Omari hit her. Oh! Huh? Good morning. Good morning, VLOGMAS. Good morning. I decided that I want to document trying the Colgate Optic White. I don't know why my voice is like this. Anyway, apparently it whitens teeth in 1 week. Whiter teeth in 1 week. Alright, so we're going to try this. I used this on, did I use it on Sunday? No. I brushed my teeth Monday and Tuesday, and today is Wednesday, the 3rd day. I just want to show you my teeth to show you why I felt like I needed it. Sherlock. So weird. And mine is so dry. Yeah. So the problem for me is these teeth in here, right? Actually, everywhere. I just feel like drinking a whole lot of coffee and tea has caught up with me, and Coke. So I'm trying to limit that as well whilst using this toothpaste. I must say, when I took it out of the container, because I was thinking, oh, I thought it's a full size Colgate. And then I saw this. My love, I was just like, wow. But we're going to try it because I just want to address the yellowness, and I don't smoke, so why? Today we are going to clean the house. Oh, sorry. Today we're going to clean the house. We're going to do the laundry. The lights are coming back at 2, so I'm just bored, and I'm not naked. I'm wearing these tops, so I'm not naked. It's just really hot, so I'm wearing that. So yeah, let's brush our teeth. Oh my. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? What? Huh? Yeah, but you can't eat this. I mean, look at this boy. Look at this dance. Okay. Let's get the day started and get things done.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. That we would remain as good. You know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But
It's almost load shedding. I'm exhausted.
focus on